Okay, a button. Buttons are nice. We need buttons. They're part of a graphical user interface. You click them and they do stuff. And that's literally the main thing about buttons that you need to know. Can you put images on them? Yes. Can you put images and text? Yes. You can do a lot of stuff. You can change the color. You can do all that. Now, be careful when you change what a button looks like. The more you change it, the less it looks like the rest of your system. And the less it looks like the rest of your system, the more users might struggle with using it. So sometimes it's better just to leave it looking like the buttons on your system, which is the way it looks by default. So the three things that we're going to configure for this button is the master, as always, the text that goes on the button, and later we'll come back and add a command. The command, in this case, is set to my function. My function is the name of the function that I want to execute or I want to call when the button is clicked. So I click the button, it executes the command. So let's add a button that says, show me the Mad Libs. And I'm going to add it below the label right now. We're going to come back and add some more stuff, but I'm going to add it in this label box or the left-hand side. I'll call it button madlib equals tk.button. And the left frame is the master. And the text equals click to show the Mad Lib. That's a lot of text for a button, but we'll just go with it. And then I'm not going to add a command to that button just yet because I haven't created it. I haven't created the function yet. So we're going to pack that so it shows. Pack. And I'm just going to let it float to the top. Later I'll come back in between the label and the button and I'll add something. But let's check it out just to make sure it's working properly. And there is my button. I can click it all day long. It doesn't do anything. Okay, so far so good.